All right. Another text about the Revolutionary War, this time from the perspective of a girl who was the daughter of a loyalist. Now, a loyalist was a colonist, so someone who lived in the colonies, the 13 colonies, but who was still loyal to Great Britain. So we know a lot of the colonists wanted to be free, to be their own country. We called them patriots. There were still people who didn't want to be their own country, who still wanted to be part of England, and they were called loyalists. They stayed loyal. Okay, so just again, another perspective from somebody during the American Revolution. Just like with the last text, I want you to write 3 of your thoughts in the margins as you read or listen to it. It's important that we're engaging with it, that we're thinking about it, even if it's, what does this word mean? Or maybe just some small thing that you connect to can help you understand this story better, because it's a memoir, it's her story. So how can we understand it better? Then what you are doing is you are making an inference about how Anna Rall felt about the colonists' victory. So after the colonists did win, the Patriots won, they became their own country. What can we infer about how she felt? Now remember, an inference, we have to take what we read, so the words in the story, take what we know to figure out, in this case, how she feels. Okay, it might not say, I feel sad, I feel happy, I feel upset, I feel scared. But take what they do tell you and see what you can figure out based on what you know. Like if I see somebody whose face is getting really red and they have this frown on their face, I can infer that they are mad because though that's I've experienced that before. So you might not have a lot of information about the war. You have some from our past lessons, but take what you do know, connect it to the story to make your inference, and then name a detail that supports the inference. Or you can underline or circle what supports your inference. If you'd rather not write the detail, you can just underline the detail that helped you figure it out. Okay? Let me know if you have questions. Again, sorry that the text got a little weird when I was saving it. I don't know why it happened, but hopefully you can still read it or I can help you. Good luck.